In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background in Photoshop and export a transparent PNG. Let's get started by opening your image in Photoshop. Once the file is open, make sure the layer you want to work on is selected. A clean, well-lit photo will usually produce the best automatic results, but this workflow handles tricky images too. Next, select the Object Selection tool. The fastest way is to press the W key on your keyboard. If you don't see it right away, it may be grouped with the Quick Selection or Magic Wand tools in the toolbar. With the Object Selection tool active, look to the top bar. You'll see an option called Remove Background. Click that. Photoshop will analyze your image, detect the main subject, and instantly create a layer mask that hides the background while keeping your subject visible. This is non-destructive, which means your original pixels are still there if you need to tweak the mask. If the edges look perfect, you can move on. If not, let's refine the mask for a cleaner cutout. With the masked layer selected, go to the Properties panel and choose Select and Mask. This opens a dedicated workspace for fine-tuning. Change the view mode to something that makes the edges easy to judge, like on black, on white, or on layers, depending on your image. Zoom in and slowly move around the edges. For hair, fur, or other intricate areas, switch to the Refine Edge Brush tool. Inside Select and Mask. Gently paint along the wispy edges where background color may be bleeding through. If the brush is too large or too small, adjust its size so you're only covering the area that needs attention. Use the global refinements on the right to polish the result. A tiny bit of smooth can remove jagged edges, feather can soften overly sharp lines, and shift edge can nudge the mask in or out to reclaim lost details or tighten the cutout. When you're happy with the preview, click OK to apply the changes to your existing mask. Now it's time to save with transparency. Go to File, choose Export, and select PNG. PNG supports transparent backgrounds, so the areas you masked out will remain see-through in your final file. In the export settings, confirm that the preview shows a transparent checkerboard behind your subject, pick your desired size and location, and save. That's it. You opened your image, removed the background with one click, refined the edges where needed, and exported a clean, transparent PNG.